What's shaking, kids? Welcome back to my channel. This is another plant spotlight for a Rhizomatous Begonia. This begonia is Begonia bruchii, and I just needed to share this with you. Okay, if you like unusual mutant type plants that look like creatures, here's a good one for you. This is a Rhizomatous Begonia bruchii, and it has almost like beefsteak begonia shaped leaves, except the ends are very curly, frilly, and they have the eyelashes. Let me get a little closer so you can see it. The eyelashes, so you can see the little hairs on the edge. It almost looks like each of these leaves is like a green flower. It is so cool. Already it seems vigorous. I've had this for a couple weeks and working on some new leaves there. You can see some of them are a little bit brown because I let this dry out. I was not taking care of it. So I moved it into this glass. So there is a little reservoir of sorts for extra water, but I'm sure that this will bounce back very quickly. These are very sturdy plants, as you can see. Very strong. And same care as other begonias. I would say same sort of care as other rhizomatous, but also same care as angel wing or cane begonias. They don't require extreme amounts of humidity like some of the Rex begonias do. These guys are just really, really strong growing plants, sturdy and almost, I don't want to say that they are drought tolerant. I don't want to say they're drought resistant. They're probably more drought tolerant. The leaves are very fleshy and thicker than other, let's say, Rex types. And the rhizome is very thick, so I know that they do store some water in that rhizome. But I just cannot get over these leaves. There are a few cultivars that are similar as far as their frilly and furry edges of the leaves, and I want all of them. Propagation for these guys is pretty much the same. What I would be doing is taking a leaf, putting it in a little glass of water, keeping it in a nice warm place under some lights like this LED light that you see in front of you here. Just a screw-in LED daylight bulb, and they tend to root and then grow new plants very easily. Rhizomatous begonias are part of the family of begonias that you can take leaf cuttings and make babies out of the leaves. You can even cut the leaf into sections, and each of the main veins will grow a new plant or plants. Really depends. As far as potting medium, you can grow these in the same sort of potting medium that I've been talking about. You could either do like a 50% cactus mix with 50% perlite. What I would probably do is 1/3 cactus mix, 1/3 perlite, 1/3 fir bark to keep that drainage and the aeration really good. And just make sure that you keep an eye on it to make sure that it doesn't dry out too much between waterings, because that's what I did. I kind of put this behind a bunch of others, forgot about it, and some of these new leaves are getting like little brown tips. Some of them came in brown. You can see that one there is no good, and a little one in the middle. But now I got my eyes on it, my attention on it, and I'm bringing it to the forefront. So, again, this is a Begonia bruchii, a beautiful, beautiful, frilly, very strong, sturdy begonia. If you would like something of this stature and this type. If you have any questions on what I'm planning to do with this, or if I'm going to propagate, because I will, you know I will, just reach out. If you have not already, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell if you want to be notified. And I will see you in the next video.